This video introduces you to the B2B lead generation outsourcing process. Outsourcing lead generation can be a time-saving and cost-effective way to generate new prospects. You're hiring experts in sales and marketing to attract high-quality leads to your business, while your in-house teams can dedicate themselves to core business activities. B2B lead generation outsourcing can be a valuable strategy for businesses, but before deciding, consider these factors. Business objectives. Define SMART business goals and objectives for outsourcing B2B lead generation, such as increasing sales by 10% in 2 months, expanding the customer base, or boosting brand awareness. Provider's expertise and portfolio. Evaluate the outsourcing provider's experience and expertise in B2B lead generation and ensure they can provide quality results that align with your business goals. Communication approach. Ensure regular communication with the outsourcing provider to align expectations, discuss progress, and address concerns or issues. Data security. Check the outsourcing provider's data security protocols and ensure they can protect your confidential business information. Integration and alignment. Ensure the outsourced lead generation process is integrated with your overall sales and marketing strategies to maximize effectiveness. Cost. Compare the price of outsourcing lead generation to in-house efforts to ensure cost-effectiveness. Consider the potential ROI and how outsourcing can help your business save time and resources. Need help with picking the right partner for outsourcing lead generation? Reach out, our team will help you find the best solution for your business. DesignRush, connecting businesses with verified agencies.